All right, so has gold and silver finally peaked? That's kind of debatable, and I did get some stuff in the mail today. Let's go ahead and get that opened up, and I'll be right back. Hey, welcome back, everybody. You know the drill. Once again, I am SB, and yes, I did some shopping. Finally did some shopping, and pretty stoked at what I got. Pretty stoked. And I'm going to talk to you about the gold and silver, is it peaked or not. I'll talk to you about that in a second. But what I did pick up is sometimes on Instagram, you can get in on some cool stuff. Sometimes they do, what they call Instagram games or whatever. It's risk and reward, guys. The risk is you pay and you don't get anything. The reward is you get a bunch of stuff. So buyer beware whenever you're playing that. But what I did is I've dealt with Tex Coins plenty of times, and he's pretty legit. He is a dealer. What he did is he got in a monster box of Silver Eagles, and I prefer to get in on the multi-draw games. So I got in on one of those. My number came up, and I got me some more Eagles. So I'm always on the lookout for Silver Eagles, and these are in fantastic shape. Wow, beautiful. Check it out, beautiful. I love them. So yeah, I'm still on that mission, trying to finish the monster box. It's gonna take some time, guys. It's just one of those things, man. I'm in no extreme rush to finish. I am going to finish it one day, but it's just going to take some time. Now, the other thing I did get in was I got this from Guido. And Guido, this is my first deal with Guido. And Guido sent me a sticker. Of course, if you guys don't know Guido, Guido is one of the channels I started watching before I started making videos. He's one of those first guys that I ran into in the YouTube algorithm, and Guido is a wealth of knowledge, guys. If you don't know anything about Guido and you watch my videos, check him out, man. Good dude, good people. He's excellent to deal with. I want to say he either works for an LCS or he works closely with an LCS. So if you reach out to him, maybe you can work something out. Like I did. I reached out to Guido, and Guido made me a great offer. And I want to say it was Sunday night, and spot price, he gave me the spot price that was going on Sunday night. So Guido is a good dude. So here we are. I got a gold eagle, quarter ounce gold eagle from him, Roman numerals. Fractional gold, I prefer to get the gold eagles. That's my bread and butter as far as I'm concerned. As far as fractional gold, I do love this design. I know some people don't like it, but I do. And I got this for $480 is what Guido charged me. And I'll go ahead and put that in a capsule. And that is or was a great deal. But to be honest with you, I had $100 left over. And I had $100 left over because what I did is I had 2 of the V75 Silver Eagles. And I ended up trading those with another dealer, and that has yet to come in. So it was supposed to be in today. It did not show. So I'd rather go ahead and show you guys what I did get in right now. So really, I paid $400 or $380 for that gold eagle, quarter ounce gold eagle, because I made the swap with him for 4 10th ounce gold eagles plus $100. And so I got that for $380, which was just awesome. I couldn't pass on that. So thanks again to Guido. Guido is a great channel, guys. Check him out. If you are on Instagram, check out Tex Coins. Great dude, great to deal with. They both ship extremely fast. I will have another one coming from Tex Coins here sometime next week. And I'm also going to bring you those 10th ounce gold eagles that I got in. So now, has gold and silver finally peaked? Man, it's up for the debate, really, because is the Fed's monetary policy still the same, right? Are they still doing QE stimulus? I know Congress is still talking about doing stimulus, and that's ongoing. It's not going to be probably as big a stimulus as it was the last time. But a lot of things that people get confused with is that stimulus is the same thing as money printing, and it's not. A lot of people get that confused. Well, money printing is technically just creating out of thin air. Stimulus, they actually have to borrow the money, which is just as bad because we end up paying for that anyway. So it's not like they're not the same thing. So a lot of people get that confused, and I hear that regurgitated over and over again. And they're two different things. So just keep that in mind. But those things still do exist. And right now you're seeing Bitcoin kind of level off finally. It's reaching that near that all-time highs like gold did, and then it just slowed down. So maybe that's going to keep going. Maybe it's going to pull back. I don't know. I don't know that much about crypto to even talk about it much, really. So I don't go into great lengths about it. Now, platinum has really caught my attention. And the reason why it caught my attention is because it's finally closed more than one day above $1,000. So that's a big deal. That means that it's probably going to keep continuing its course. Now, I don't own any platinum. I don't. It's a risk versus reward type deal. I'd rather buy silver and I'd rather buy gold. That's just a personal preference. If you are doing platinum, silver, and gold, more power to you. I can't speculate but with two metals, in my opinion. I just don't want to take that risk. I know it's something that 2008 is, right there. It's fresh. It's still in my mind what happened in 2008. So if you're a platinum stacker, you're definitely thrilled if you got a bunch saved up. You were stacking it on the cheap, and guess what? It's starting to pay off. So kudos to you guys. I think it's a little late for me to be getting into it, so I'm just not going to do it. And we'll just have to see what it does. I mean, is platinum, is it going to do exactly what Bitcoin did and what gold did? I don't know. But the one who has yet to move closer to its all-time highs is silver. It's true. Now, next year, we'll see. Because with the vaccine coming out, I know a lot of people, they don't, I'm not going to get into that. But with the vaccine coming out, the markets love it. They do. It's priced in. You guys have seen it. If you follow the stock market regularly, you see that. You see that sentiment growing. You see the production view growing. Now, silver is pretty much a production metal, right? It's used in lots and lots of things. It's industrial. So with the vaccine coming out, you might start seeing a big move to silver. You might not. It's just up for debate, guys. And we're just going to have to play it out. We're just going to have to watch and see what happens. But I would definitely not sell. I would definitely not sell right now. That's just not what you want to do. If you want to flip, that's one thing. But I would definitely not sell your stack right now. And I'm just going to leave it at that, guys. I appreciate you watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. And hey, ring that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. That's going to do it for today. Don't forget, guys, keep grinding on your stack.